Convertri Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Convertri Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested in checking it out, be sure to click the links in the description below. Now let's dive straight into it. Convertri is a high-performance landing page builder that emphasizes speed and conversion optimization. It's ideal for marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners who want to create landing pages and funnels that load quickly and generate results. With its drag-and-drop interface, advanced split testing, and a wide array of customizable templates, Convertri is designed to help users build pages that convert visitors into leads and customers. The Convertri Affiliate Program is one of the best options for anyone promoting marketing tools or conversion-focused solutions. Affiliates earn up to 30% recurring commissions for each customer they refer. The best part is that the commissions are recurring, meaning you'll continue earning from each referral as long as they remain a paying customer. The program also boasts a 30-day cookie window, which means you'll get credit for any sales made within 30 days of someone clicking your affiliate link. This is crucial because it gives you a good window of opportunity to earn commissions even if the customer takes a little while to make a decision. What really sets Convertri apart is its focus on speed. Its landing pages are among the fastest in the industry, which is essential for improving conversion rates. With Convertri's flexible editor, users can quickly build pages that suit their needs, whether they are launching an online campaign, building a lead magnet, or promoting an offer. As an affiliate, Convertri gives you access to a variety of marketing resources, including banners, email swipes, and promotional tools that make it easy to start promoting right away. The affiliate dashboard is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily track your clicks, sales, and commissions in real time. The Convertri Affiliate Program is perfect for anyone who already promotes digital marketing tools or entrepreneurial solutions. If your audience is interested in high-converting landing pages or speed-optimized funnels, then Convertri is an ideal product to recommend. To sum it up, Convertri offers great recurring commissions, a high-quality product, and plenty of affiliate resources to help you succeed. If you're promoting conversion tools or marketing solutions, this program is a fantastic choice. Check out the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.